So what happens when you no longer need a lift? And that could be for various different reasons. Obviously, we're sympathetic and understanding to, you know, those needs and everything. So when you no longer need a lift,
it could be the fact that you're moving.
Yeah, moving, or
you might want it out for in carpets to be fitted. We'll go on to that in a bit later.
Sure.
Yeah.
So when a lift is no longer needed, then you could give us a call.
Yep.
And we would give you an idea about sort of how much it would cost to remove the lift, depending on sort of what lift it is.
Yeah.
It may be that we might be interested in buying it back.
Yeah.
So subject to how old it is. So usually if it's within a few years old, we will buy it and we'll probably be able to reuse that.
Yeah.
If we can't reuse it, then we may end up sort of stripping it for some spare parts, for example, or we would scrap it. So we recycle all the lifts in its different components. So we'll strip out all of the wiring, different types of metals, plastic covers, all of that would be split off. So it's recycled properly in its individual components. We are registered waste carriers, so we do have a license for that. So if anybody has taken any lift away from your house, then they would need to be a registered waste carrier. So there's no sort of fly tipping or anything like that. Obviously, we do have a coverage area, so we do. You'll be able to check.
Well, it says it on the website, but we do go that little further afield for buybacks if we're interested in a lift, won't we? We'll go a little bit. Because it's only a one-off visit, then it's not like we have to maintain it. We just go and take it out. So we are prepared to go a little bit further than our coverage area.
Yeah, and we do obviously leave the house clean and tidy.
Yes, we do.
When we leave, take the lift away for you. We make sure that the electrics are made safe as well.
Yeah.
And hopefully, when we leave, it looks like there's never been a stairlift there in the first place. So, so if you are interested in a removal, then obviously give our aftercare a call, a team.
Or a buyback if you feel that your stairlift is worth sort of any money or value. Then give us a call as well.
Yeah, so if you want to give our aftercare service a call, and we'll be able to help you
and advise.
Yeah, we'll see you on the next video then.